Turning on to this forest road. We're still in the Winema National Forest. This is a really big forest. This is another site that we scouted out with the Jeep the other day, and I think it's pretty cool. The road in is incredibly rocky though, so that'll be fun. And here's our new campsite. It does have a lot of rocks on the road. Pretty sure that we have the clearance for them, but not positive. Oh, that's going to be some twist.
This is our new campsite. Now this is right off of a forest road, and it actually does have a number at the end of this driveway, which is probably, I don't know, 200-300 foot long. It says number 60 on it. There is one right up from it that says 61, so I don't know, campsites maybe. That's the drive that you saw me coming in. And that's what it opens up to. Nice little open area, plenty big enough for a couple of big RVs. These are some of the big rocks that I was talking about coming in. They could do a lot of damage. The one that's up on the end of the road that I wasn't sure about actually hit the front axle on the RV, so, well, needless to say, I went up there with the shovel and dug it out. So I won't have that problem again. We are definitely in the woods. Grilling out some chicken tonight. In this great open area we are getting satellite, 3 bars of Verizon, solar in the morning all the way till late afternoon. You just can't beat it. Every once in a while we'll hear a jake brake from a semi out on the highway. It's probably about a mile away. Amazing how sound carries at night. On a clear night, the stars out here, incredible, really nice. We've had a 1/2 to 3/4 moon the last few nights, which has been real nice. You can see outside the RV at night, which is good. And the other thing I can say is that in any direction that you go, there's not thick underbrush. You can basically pick any direction you want from the RV and just start walking. This is pretty close to the RV. Walk up and show you this thing. And it's just a stump, but look at the size of this stump. My goodness. I mean, this thing is huge. I don't know how long it would take for it to rot down to this, but I'm guessing it's been cut down 20-30 years probably. But what a massive stump. Just so you can get an idea on the size of that stump. I'm standing, I don't know, 5 foot from it. Thing's big. Not a whole lot of wildlife. We've seen a couple of squirrels. Donna saw a deer up the road, but not here at this site. And she still hasn't gotten to see a bear. Yeah, I still don't want to see a bear, so I guess I'm getting my way. About a 1/2 moon to 3/4 of a moon, I think, tonight. And that was stupid. Really nice. The other cool thing about this campsite is basically you can walk in any direction. Thing's big. Shut off, stupid camera. Come on.
That's 4 nights at this campsite. We are now going to head on, and we are actually leaving the Winema National Forest. Places unknown. As long as we can get over all the rocks.